Are you looking for a qualified and insured tree surgeon or landscaping specialist for Brentwood? Well, you've come to the right place because Tree Surgeons Brentwood are a well-established tree services and garden clearance company based in Southend, Essex. The services we offer are of the highest standard possible. We take our work dead seriously and our responsibilities also to the environment. Every job we do is done in the most professional and timely manner possible. We make sure that we leave your garden in a clean and tidy state. We're also very mindful of our surroundings, so we try to keep any noise disruption to a minimum for you and your neighbours. We offer a professional service to the highest standard. We undertake our work with an environmentally friendly approach, and at the same time we're professionally removing and trimming any unwanted foliage in a clean and tidy manner and leaving quietly with respect to your home and surrounding neighbours. So, why choose Tree Surgeons Brentwood? Well, first of all, we're professional, reasonably priced. So whether you need several trees trimmed, pruned, or felled, or removed, then or it's just one tree that needs cutting back or chopping down. We at Tree Surgeons Brentwood have an experienced team that are here to help you get that work done just how you want it as well. You'll be pleased with the results we produce, and they're at a cost that is reasonably priced. Just look at our testimonials page on our website to hear some of what our satisfied customers have had to say about our work over the years. Also, what makes us different from other tree surgeons are that we're actually passionate about our work here at Tree Surgeons Brentwood. We just love what we do. It's more than a job to us. In fact, it's a way of life. We live and breathe what we do. And you'll find that is reflected in the high standards of work that we offer our customers, and then the 5-star reviews that we get from our past customers too. We also believe in precision. When it comes to our work, we won't want to leave a single thing to chance. You could almost call us perfectionists, although nobody is ever perfect, but we try our best. We do a thorough on-site risk assessment before we carry out any work on your garden. Every job we do is planned out in advance, so nothing is left to chance, and you are left feeling happy at a job well done. The next thing that makes us stand out from the rest is simplicity. Now, what do we mean by that? Basically, our ethos is from day one is to keep things simple and easy for you, the customer, to understand. At every stage of the process, we make sure that you know what's going on and what's going to happen next. We don't believe in confusing you with technobabble, technical terms and phrases you don't understand to make ourselves sound clever and you sound stupid, because that is just not the way things should work. You should understand what's happening from the beginning to the end, and that's all we want to happen. So it should be an easy and pleasure dealing with us and how we work. We want this to be an easy and fuss-free as possible for you. So some of the tree and landscaping services that we offer. Now, before I go through all these, some of these you just won't understand because they are technical phrases or terms. If you understand it, great, but most of you won't. So I'll just list the services now that we offer here at Tree Surgeons Brentwood, and then afterwards I'll explain a few of them, what they mean. So I hope that's okay with you. So we offer crown thinning, crown reduction and shaping, crown lifting, formative pruning of young trees, hedge and shrub trimming, tree felling, tree removals, stump grinding, rooting removals. We also deal with storm damaged trees. We also specialise in tree removals near power lines. We also do pollarding, fencing, deadwood pruning, emergency tree work, hedge removal, ivy removal or trimming. We also do Japanese knotweed removal. We do general grounds maintenance, and also we take care of your general garden waste. So now to explain some of those services that you probably just didn't understand. So first of all, crown reduction. Now, crown reduction is a way of pruning the branches of a tree by a specified distance. Usually we only do this with a maximum diameter of 100 millimeters or 10 centimeters thickness, basically. And now crown thinning is a bit different to general pruning, where we just want to reduce the density, the thickness of a tree by removing some of the inner branches and possibly any other growth that's going on there. Next, we do crown lifting. Well, this is a situation where we remove the lower branches of a tree in order to increase the height clearance of the crown from the ground. And then you've got crown raising. That is the actual removal of the lateral branches of your tree. The lateral branches can also be also known as scaffold branches, which typically point at a 45 to 60 degree angle upwards and develop, or downwards, I guess, and develop more branches of the original scaffolding branches. We do this in a considerate way without removing the lower limbs of the tree, which help maintain the structure and integrity of the tree. If we were to remove them, then your tree would be wobbling around quite a bit in stormy weather. So that's one of the reasons why we try to avoid removing the lower limbs. Next we do crown cleaning, and again that basically is the removal of all your dead and diseased or dying branches and any ivy or climbing plants that have decided to attach themselves to your tree. Hedging and topiary. This is where we reduce the size and shape of a hedge or a small tree or shrub, and will shape and train the tree or shrub in question as well for you. And then you've got clear felling. So felling is obviously just chopping down a tree, but clear felling is where, if the right circumstances occur and there's enough room available, we will just chop down your tree in one big go from the ground level, as long as it's safe to do so. And next you've got section felling. So this time, instead of removing the whole tree in one go, the removal of the tree is used with some technical rigging and specialist tools when required. And then you've got stump removal. So the tree stumps are removed by either grinding, which means chopping the stump and the roots in the ground up into small little chips, or if we can't do that, we'll do a winching method, which is basically a specialist method that we use, where we just put the winch around the stump to try and remove it out of the ground, and as many roots as possible as well will be removed at the same time. Next we also do pollarding trees. Now pollarding is a pruning technique that actually involves removing the upper branches of your tree, and this encourages the growth foliage and branches which typically produce a dense head. It is a pruning technique that's actually been around for many years. So many years, we reckon it's all the way back to Roman times. So that's a good couple of thousand years it must be. So now you know our services that we offer and what those services actually mean in layman's terms. The only thing to say now is to get your free quote and some friendly initial advice from one of our team is to call us on 07 895 726 225. That number again is 07 895 726 225. We look forward to hearing from you.